Being a landlord isn't easy. It's not just about owning a rental property, it's about managing it. Chasing rent payments, maintenance requests at all hours, staying on top of ever-changing regulation, calls, text, and emails. It's a never-ending list. Seeing small landlords struggle to manage their properties and their tenants led me to create August. August is the all-in-one rental app, built to take the stress out of managing your properties and tenants, where you can track rent payments effortlessly with real-time notifications. Your tenants can even set up to pay in-app. Our smart checklist simplifies regulation step by step, boosting your landlord score. Compliance made easy, whilst you can easily stay on top of maintenance with simple in-app tenant reporting, issues logged properly every time. And forget the hassle of paperwork. You can store all your documents in one place, receive renewal reminders, and share with tenants in a tap. Whilst August Intelligence is your personal assistant, helping you navigate renting, and can automatically scan tenancy contracts, creating your properties and tenancies in seconds. August is the ultimate tool for managing properties and tenants, built with landlords in mind, not agents. Unlike expensive agent software, August is a simple, powerful app, eliminating the corporate jargon and confusing dashboards. It's a reliable platform which keeps you informed, removes headaches, and makes renting easier. We're still in our early days and there's a lot more to come to build the ultimate tool for landlords and tenants. So if you want to save time, save money, and stay in control, download August.